This thing blows me away. I didn't know I needed this. And now that I've had it for a couple of weeks, I wouldn't go without it. I found this quite by accident. I was actually watching a video on another channel that I subscribe to. It's a photo channel. And somehow they ended up with one of these, not this particular one, but they were using it in the studio, or planned to use it in the studio to do the model stuff with the blowing of the hair, because apparently studios spend money on these big fans that on stands, and they can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. And I think somebody sent them one of these, or maybe it was one of those companies that just wanted this YouTube channel to show off their tool, and they were like, what is this thing? And theirs came with a battery and a charger, and they looked at it and went through it, and it was really cheap looking. But when they went out and used it, I was impressed. As the Smart Fam knows, I have Festool batteries and DeWalt batteries, and I don't want another tool. Not that there aren't tons of great tools out there and tons of great battery systems. Makita and Milwaukee, they all make great ones. But these are the battery systems I have, and I just don't want another battery system. And I like the tools that I have. If I see a tool out there that I like, that I want to get, that isn't DeWalt or Festool, then I want to get one that will adapt to the DeWalt battery. So I went on to Amazon and did a search and found a brand that we're all familiar with, we're all comfortable with, nice color, and it's the you know, that brand. We're familiar with this one, right? It's certainly got a pretty common color and design look to it, but it was bare tool, no battery, no charger, just in a box, but they did include earplugs. This is pretty smart because this thing is pretty loud. I have my own earplugs, so I didn't need those. So bare tool that runs on DeWalt batteries without an adapter. For the Smart Fam out there that's Makita or Milwaukee or Bosch or one of the other battery systems, you might be able to find this that will work directly with your battery system. If not, you can find those adapters like this. My cordless nail gun of choice isn't DeWalt. I like these Milwaukees, but again, they make a great battery. I just don't want another battery system. So I got this adapter that will convert Milwaukee into DeWalt. Then I just get one of these for each tool. I don't just move it from tool to tool. So all of my Milwaukees, which right now is just this one, but I'm planning on getting more, and I'll get these for each nail gun. But at least for the DeWalt fam, you can just grab this tool and use any of your batteries. And this will work with your 20 volt. In fact, that's what this is. The flex volts, of course, will work on 20 and 60. And this is the reason I went with the DeWalt system, was because of their flex volt battery. This is my other cordless leaf blower that I've used to clean up the shop and the trailer. There's a few differences that I think you'll notice. First off, this one takes a little more space to store it. This one is obviously a lot smaller, and I can fit it in any one of these bins or drop it in with another tool and not take up any more space. When it's time to clean out the shop or even on the job, just grab it out. Slap on the battery, I'm ready to go. There is one other major difference between my DeWalt and this well-known Difton brand. My DeWalt bare tool, no battery, no charger, $185. Difton, $45 shipped to my door. And that's actually the more expensive one. They have a brushed motor and a brushless motor. And I went with the brushless motor, paid a few dollars extra. But right now on Amazon Prime, and this may go on for a long time, it may always be there, but right now, right on the order where it's $45.99, there's a coupon. You just check that coupon and get it for $32.19. That was delivered right to my shop, no shipping, in 2 days, and I got it for $32.19. I will put a link to this in my Amazon store and also my store at thesmartwoodshop.com. If you use my Amazon affiliate links, we'll get a little spiff here at the Smart Wood Shop, which helps support these videos that we make for you, but they won't charge you any extra. Also, the battery adapter that I use, there'll be a link for that as well. This one is the one that goes from Milwaukee's to DeWalt, but they make these for all the different battery brands, and you can find them right there starting with the link for this one. If you'd like to build a smart wood shop like this for yourself, a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that make up the smart system, there's a link in the description of the video. Click on it, purchase any plan or package of plans, and immediately within minutes you'll get an email from the Smart Wood Shop where you can go and click on that link and download the plans instantaneously, 24/7, 365. Mahalo for hanging out at the Smart Wood Shop.